Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect the Samsung T9 portable SSD to this device. So this is my Samsung uh, T9 portable SSD. So let me show you how to connect this one. So with the help of this cable we can easily connect, and the both sides you can see this is type C. First of all, go open your files application on your device and tap on the option browse on the bottom tab. So first connect this to your phone and the other end simply connect to your SSD. So after connect this one, you can see a blue light and just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, you can see the name here, Samsung T9. And you can easily use this SSD on your phone. So simply in this way, and after connection you can easily transfer photos or videos, anything between this Samsung T9 SSD to your iPhone. Otherwise you can transfer from your phone to SSD. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.